Part 1 of the using video editor assignment, and I am using the exact same computer you are, so everything should look just about the same as we go through this. Now step 1 says open the camera on your device, so let's do that. I'm going to click on the little window icon, get my list, and select camera right there. And it says to record a short 10-second video, so let's do that. And click take video. And hey, we're recording a video. Yes, we are. And we've recorded about 4 and 5 seconds. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 seconds right there on the bottom. Now I'm going to stop. Boom. So the next thing it says to do, number 2, says access video by clicking the search bar at the bottom left of the screen. So we see the search bar down here on the bottom left. I'll click on the search bar, something will come up, and I will type camera roll. Hey, that's my camera roll. So I just went down to the bottom and typed camera roll. There it is. And there's my little video. So it says that we want to rename it. So I'm going to have my cursor on it, right click, go down here to the word rename. And I'm going to call it test video 1 and hit enter. And there, now it's been renamed. Now, it says that we need to record a second video. Part 2 is called importing. And it says that we're going to get our videos into the editing program. So it says to go down to the very bottom left to that white bar that says type here to search. And we're going to type in video editor. And the video editor app comes up. Now you can find it any other way you like also, but you want to open the app called video editor. We all have it on our computers already. Nothing you need to download at all. And there, it opens up. You can see it shows one other thing that I was messing with, and you probably won't see that, but you'll see this blue box that says new video project. So click it. And it's going to go to this screen. And the first thing it's going to do is tell you to name your video. So you want to name it with your first and last name. I'll do mine with my first and last name and click OK. All right. Now you see the blue box here that says add. We're going to click that and we're going to select from this PC. And look, it opens up and it opens up to my camera roll. Now, if it only opens up to your picture, then you select camera roll by double clicking. But once you're there, you can see there are the 2 videos that I created. So I'll click on one and then I'm going to hold down the shift key and click on the second one. That'll let me select both of them at once. Then I go down to this button down here that says open, click on it, and ta-da, there they are. They are now in the program. Okay. Now the next thing I want to do is go right here where it says place in storyboard. Click on it, and notice they're down here at the bottom and it's ready to play. And if I hit the space, so it's playing my video. I paused it. I don't need to hear all that all over again. But you see now we have it in the storyboard ready to go. Okay, so now we're ready to go on to part 3. Trimming, cutting, and splitting. How to get rid of things you don't want. So step 1 says to watch your video and find a portion you'd like to cut out. Select the trim icon at the top of the storyboard and use it to trim the beginning or the end of your video. So right here it says trim. If I click trim, and if I want to trim some out, I can. And let's say I want it to start right where I say number 2. Get it right where I am. Move it there. I go, okay, done. I got that cut out. See, number 2 says if you want to cut out a section that's not at the beginning or end of a clip, what do? I can go here in the storyboard. See where it says split this video clip? Click on it. Uh-oh. And look, right there, that's now a whole new clip. See? So all I got to do is say done, Now there are three pieces. I split it. Now I can click on it right where I split it. Now I can go back and I can trim this. So you just use split and trim together, and you can find the pieces you want and you can take them out. Part 4, titles. How to add words between video clips. It says to select the video clip that we want to add a title to, and then add title card. So I'm going to click on the very first one. I like my title to start off. Click on add title card. There we go. And then you see that it opens up this lovely blue box. Click on it. We can select this icon up here that says add text. This will let me tell it what I want to put on there. So I'm gonna put just hello for a title. I can go to some cool fancy font. I can put it in weird little things on the side. I can do all kinds of stuff. You can customize it any way you want to. I can even come up here to the top, change the background, give it some interesting color like purple, something cool. And then when you're finally finished, you click done. If you mess up or you don't like what you did, you can always come up here to the top. See this little arrow right there, undo? That'll undo whatever you did. So anytime through this process, if you do something, you go, oh, I screwed up, or I just don't like that. Click undo and try it again. No problem. Okay. You can repeat this process, it says, with another clip to give it a title. So I'm going to clip here, go add title card. Look at that. I get another one. And I'm going to change the background color on this one to green. There we go. And go up here and give it a different text and say, I'm in the middle, and I'm going to give this one a different font. That's a crazy look. I like that. And click there. And so that one's right there. So you can repeat this process with any clips that you need to. And remember, if you decide that you want to put some words right in the middle of a clip, just split it, and then you can insert a title card. So you've already learned how to do that in the last step. No sweat. That's how to do part 4, titles. All right, guys, time to look at part 5. This is captions, how to add words over the top of a video. So what we'll do is select one of our video clips. I'm going to click on that one. And if we go up here to the choice bar on the storyboard, I can click text, and that'll let me add a caption, add some words. So I'll type in counting down. Right now I've got it in the middle. I think I have joy collected. I can click it there, there, there. Venture. That looks kind of weird. Let's click it. And I'm going to click done. We are up to part 6. This is visual effects and filters, adding special effects. And you'll notice all the instructions say is really just to try some stuff out, play around, and try different things and see what you like. We just want to see some evidence in your video that you did something. Really don't care. Here's where you find your effects across this bar. Okay, now we are on part 7, how to add sound. We're going to do 2 different ways to add sound. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add a little music to it. So we go up here to the top where it says background music. Click on it, and I'm just going to pick something, Clown Parade. That just sounds terrible. And click done. Let's look at the next part, narration. Now for narration, you're going to actually have to record your narration first without looking at the video. But if you go down here to this cool little window icon in the bottom left of your screen, open up your choices, scroll way down to the V's and W's. You see one that says voice recorder and one that says Waves Max Audio Pro. I'm going to select voice recorder, and the voice recorder will open up. And it says, do you want to let it access your microphone? And of course, yes, access my microphone. And then the blue thing in the middle is just a button. Click on it. And now it will record when you talk. And you go testing 1, 2, 3. I'm recording my voice. And then when you're done, click stop. And it's right there. And what I would do is come over here to the right where it says see more, open file location. I need to know where this thing is saving it. So my computer, and most of them, will save it under Documents, Sound Recordings. Okay, so you kind of have to remember that. Go, oh, okay, that's where it's saving that thing. No sweat. So we can just X out of that. And I'll just minimize that down to the bar. And let's see, I'm going to put it on this clip over here. And I'm going to go to Custom Audio and go Add File. See over here to the right? Under Documents, there is a file that says Sound Recordings. And there's my recording. So I'll double click on it. And there it is. There's the sound recording. Now, you can add more than one track by doing that over and over, but also you can come down here to the bottom and go, I don't want it to go there. I want it to be over here, or I want it to be over here. You can change where it is in your video. Okay? And then say done. Okay, let's look at the last part, part 8, how to save this thing. The first thing we'll do is go up to the top and find the icon here that says Finish Video. And we'll click on it. And then it'll be on high recommended. We just leave it like that. It's fine. You click on the blue box that says Export. And it'll take a little while, but you need to just let it do its thing. And it'll bring up a box showing you where it's going to be saved. So pay close attention so you can get to it. So just click Export here, and it will begin rendering the video. So you see that I'm just finished saving, and after it saves, it'll automatically start kind of playing for you. So you see that it's automatically playing, and that lets you know your video played just fine. What you want to do next is to go to your Google Drive. And once you are in your Google Drive, it really doesn't matter where you save it as long as you know where it is, or you can even create a folder that says for physical science class. It doesn't matter. But once you get to where you need to be, you want to click New, File, Upload, and you need to go to the place in your computer that you saw that it was saved and upload it from there. And once you have it uploaded in the Google Drive, then you'll be able to turn it in on the Google Classroom. And that's it. That's how you do it.